Hi friends, the book I'm going to read you today is called Just a Thunderstorm, and it's by Gina and Mercer Mayer. We've been having a few thunderstorms so far with this warm summery weather. Mom said a thunderstorm was coming. The sky was dark and the wind was blowing. I helped Mom bring in the clothes from the clothesline, and my brother picked up our toys from the yard. Then we heard a faint rumbling noise, but I wasn't scared. I knew it was just a little thunder. Here, kitty. It started pouring down rain. Mum forgot to roll up the car window, so I went with my brother to do it for her. We got soaked. While Mum was making dinner, we saw lightning. Then the power went out. Dad lit some candles and made a fire in the fireplace. We roasted marshmallows and hot dogs for dinner. It was just like a real camp out. The power came back on just in time for our favorite TV show, but the weatherman kept interrupting it. Then it really started thundering loud. Soon Mum and Dad said it was time for bed, but I didn't want to go to bed while there was so much thunder. Dad let me leave the light on so I could read, but that didn't help. The thunder was too loud. I tried listening to my favorite tape, but I could still hear the thunder and see the lightning. So I put my head under my pillow. That didn't help either. I started crying and called, "Dad!" I said, "I don't like thunderstorms." Dad said, "Thunderstorms can seem scary, but they're really very good. They bring rain so that plants can grow and we can have enough water to drink." But I was still scared, so I climbed into bed with my brother. He said he wasn't scared. Then there was a big clap of thunder. We both screamed. That scared us even more. We ran into Mum and Dad's room. They said we could sleep on their floor. The next morning when I woke up, the sun was shining. Mom said, "See, thunderstorms are nothing to be afraid of." I didn't say anything. I just went outside to play with my brother's boats. I think thunderstorms are really scary, but they sure make great mud puddles. The end. Thanks for listening, friends. Bye.